How's it going? Emanuel-C here, and today I'm doing a re-unboxing of a shoe, the Air Foamposite Pro in the Army Camo colorway. This colorway came out in 2013, and it's one of my favorite colorways of the shoe, so I figured I'd give you guys a detailed look at it. Now the upper is made out of a polyurethane foamposite, and this foamposite material is very durable. It's a pretty rigid design, but as you plane it, the foam kind of heats up and cools down, and it actually forms around the shape of your foot. So the more you plane it, or the more you just wear it around, it actually becomes more and more comfortable. This size is actually a size smaller than I typically go in shoes, but as I've worn it throughout the years, it's actually become a better fitting shoe. This is called the Army Camo, which uses a traditional camouflage colorway that is in comparison to the fighter jets, which came out earlier the same year that these did. It has a solid gum outsole here, and throughout the shoe it has volt colored details all around it and here. Now the sole of the shoe has a herringbone pattern, which is traditionally seen as the best for on-court traction. It has a carbon fiber plate that runs throughout the shoe, which gives it, I guess, more stability and durability. You also can't see it, but it has a full-length Zoom Air unit. Now, to go along with the whole Army aesthetic, they've added a few touches. They've added this Pro 97 marking on the inside here, since the Foamposite Pro came out in 1997, as a little callback to that. The right shoe came with this tag on it, which has the team shield for Air Foamposite Pro. Also here, as you see, Air Foamposite Pro. The shoe also features a call sign, which reads N758384. Not sure what this is for. Anyone out there have an idea? And the lid of the shoe box has all of this stuff on it also. You have Nike Sportswear Special Ops Team. It has the mission, the team shield, the call sign, and markings, Pro 97. Like I said, these are one of my favorite shoes, both in looks and how they actually feel. Let me know what you think of them, and how's it feel if you have a pair of Foamposites also. I'm also thinking of doing a video on some of my personal favorites that I own. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing any of these shoes in a future video. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.